everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property and welcome to 178 The Avenue in Peregian Springs, which is conveniently located central to everything. Walk the kids to school with both Peregian State School and St Andrews close by. You're 100 metres to Peachtree Park and a short ride to the local shops, golf course and soon to be built tavern. Inside the home, this flexible floor plan can accommodate a large family with 5 separate bedrooms well zoned from the living area. There is also the option of converting one of the bedrooms to another living space. Thanks so much for watching. This home is move-in ready, but with space for a pool, there's room to also add your own flair. I highly recommend you come and see for yourself. For those interstate, we're more than happy to walk you through the home virtually.